I'm Mitch Desatel. I'm with Briggs Freeman Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here at 3005 Harkness Drive in Plano. You're gonna love this home. It's 4-bedroom, 3 baths, 2858 square feet. It's a rare 1-story, which is high demand in our marketplace right now. It's got a charming backyard, vaulted ceilings, just meticulously maintained by the owners, and with a lot of upgrades inside and out. So I hope you enjoy.